Yep, yes. Hello and welcome. My name is David Samuji. If you're joining me for the first time, I say welcome. Yes, as you can tell from my channel name, back to what a t-shirt design. I create t-shirt design you can use for passive income using Photoshop CC t-shirt design tutorial in Photoshop. Yes, that is what my channel is about, and this year is gonna be a grind. All right, I'm gonna be making a lot of t-shirt designs for you guys, so you guys should stick around and you guys are going to love it. I don't want to waste your time, so let's go straight right onto this one and create something unique. Okay, so let's do that. So now we'll go to file, new, we're going to be using pixel. Okay, let's do pixel. We'll do 4005 by 5000. All right, just follow me through to this very end. Stick around to the end so that you see it for yourself and you see how to create this unique design. So I'm just going to zoom in. Okay, just a little bit. All right, so now we have that zoom in. All I did was to press Ctrl and plus on my Windows laptop. All right, it will be command and plus on a Mac if you want to do that. So now we have that. First thing first, I want to unlock this, so double tap on this padlock and press OK to unlock. Now that we have that all set up, we are good to go. So now we'll go to my folder already. I already have this design up, so I'm just gonna bring it in. Is the California skyline. All right, so I'll just bring that in, make it bigger. Okay, so let's do that super fast, not complicated. So now we have one part of it. Okay, we have one part of it all set up. Now to make sure it's in the middle, all I have to do is to click on this and this layer 0, which is this one, pressing down your Alt key button and click on this. Okay, so now we have that all set in the middle. I'm going to duplicate this and try to mirror it. I'm going to show you how to do that. So you press your Alt key button or your Control key button. So you press your Alt key button on your keyboard, press your left mouse click button and you drag downwards just like so. Okay, so now that we have that the way we want it, we're going to do Ctrl T, then we're going to do set horizontal, flip horizontal. Okay, so now that we flipped it horizontal, that's the way it is. Okay, so let's do 180. All right, so now we have it zoomed and flipped. Okay, so now we have it just like this. So now we're just going to create that space in the middle. Okay, that should be enough space. So what I'm going to do is I'll reduce the opacity of this lower one so it will not have same opacity as this one. How do I do that? Click on it. Obviously this is it. If you close the eyes, you have that. You just move to opacity and you reduce that a bit. So let's do about 75 for that one. So it just looks like a reflection. If you put it like that, it looks like a reflection, as you can see it, like it's overseeing the city. So you see how easy that was to create. So now let's just move that out again, and now comes the cool part where we'll bring in our text. For this one, we'll just do California. Okay, sorry about that. We're just gonna do California. Just bring in our word and we'll do California with that. Okay, so California. All right, so all caps. I want to make it all caps, so California. All right, so now that we have California all set up, you can see it's quite small. We're going to come back to that, so do Ctrl T to highlight the full text. You see, you move your cursor to this head, press down your Alt Shift key button and your left mouse key button, you press them down all together. Okay, so now that we have them all pressed down together, so you see we have that. But I want to make the text a different text. Now that we made it bigger, I'll just change the text. I like to use the graffiti text, so I'll just find one I can use for this design. Okay, this is one. All right, you can use this one. Okay, but I want to give it that 3D feel, so I won't use this one. I'll find another one. Okay, you can easily get this for yourself from dafont.com. just search Photoshop font and you should easily get it. You can see the name. All you need to do is to search the name in Google and you're going to get it for yourself. So now I'm just going to scroll and find my fine looking font. I have it somewhere. Yes, this is it. This is the one I'm looking for. So as you can see, it says California, but you notice it's not as big as I want it to be. So I'm just going to do my Ctrl T again, move my mouse cursor to this very edge, press down my Alt and Shift key button with my left mouse button and drag it down. Okay, perfect. So it's just going to overlap there. So now you can see it's just overlapping the California like so. Okay, perfect. That is perfect. If you ask me, all we have to do now is to bring this down. So okay, you can bring this down just like this. So it says California. Alright, it's super easy, does not have to be complicated. Remember to turn off your background when you are done, and remember, if you don't want it to be the black, if just in case you want to put on a black shirt, you can come over and change your color. It says color overlay, click on that and you can decide to change it to any color you want. Okay, you can decide to change it to whatever color you want to change it to. It's up to you. It's really up to you. With this design, you can do it the way you want to at any time. Once you're okay with your design, you can just go and click out, press OK. So now you have it. If you put in our white background, you see the way it looks with the white background. It's as easy as ABC. Now your background is off. You go to File, Save As. Alright, you go to save it in your pictures, very important. Remember to always save it Kali, or do Kali, yeah. Alright, so do Kali. You remember to save it as Photoshop and as what do you call it, a PNG. So if you saved it as Photoshop, then you go to PNG. Because you don't want the background there, you save it as PNG and you press save. Okay, fast, easy. You save that. Once it's done, your design is ready. You can then transfer it onto your shirt. Okay, once your design is ready, you can transfer it onto your shirt and it's going to give you that crisp look you're looking for. It's not going to take your time at all. So if we go to pictures now and find our Kali, okay, so if we find our Kali, we should see our Kali here. Alright, so let's just find our Kali text. Okay, so if we click on it, here you go. So you can see how easy it was for us to create this unique design. I hope you enjoyed this video. To your right there will be a playlist. Make sure you watch that playlist. And your very self and myself, I say thank you for watching and I would see you on the next one. Stay blessed.